What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I film almost every day in my studio here, and I'm working on completing my studio setup. And I had one missing piece here, a good standing desk. So I reviewed the FlexiSpot desk converter in the past, and it's a good complement to a desk that you already have. But I need a standing desk that's a standalone. So I like the FlexiSpot desk because it had a premium build. So I'm reviewing the FlexiSpot Comhar, that all into one standing desk here. So let me give you guys my thoughts here. And I think that this desk right here is going to complete my setup. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm excited to have this desk because it brings a lot of features that I need. Look, I'm a content creator that films every day. This is the studio that I have, and I needed something that can help me out as far as me getting out of the seat here to kind of a lift position. So let's talk about the FlexiSpot here. Let's talk about what comes in the box. So in the box, it comes with the tabletop itself. It comes with a lifting column. It comes with 2 feet, a power plug, nuts and bolts, and cable clamps for cable management. The setup process took me no more than about 20 minutes tops to set this up. So it's really good. So the purpose of this desk is to give you a complete solution. For me, working in the studio for a long period of time, I get very fatigued just sitting down for hours and hours and hours, filming videos and editing. So what this desk does is energize your body. By standing up, you gain a lot of focusing, right? By standing up to get a lot of work done. So let's talk about some of the specs here. The FlexiSpot Comhar has a minimum height of 28.3 inches and a maximum height of 47.6 inches with a maximum weight capacity of 110 pounds. So when we talk about the desk size, it's 47.3 inches in width and 23.7 inches in depth. The assembly of this desk was really simple, and it was quick, it was easy. Now let's talk about the price. This desk right here will set you back $399. I will leave all the links down in the description below. So after I set the desk up, I put my whole command center here, right? And it fits perfectly with all my monitors and everything else in between. Again, the total setup here was really simple. The hard part was getting everything set up perfectly for me, for my workload. So let's talk about the keypad here. Something I really do like. You got an up and down button here. You got 4 programmable buttons here, which is really nice. You got 2 type A ports here for charging. You got a type C port here for charging, and you got a lock button. And controlling this desk is really simple. If you want to go up and down, all you gotta do is just press the up and down button to your desired height. Now, if you want to save the height, all you got to do is simply hold one of the programmable buttons for a few seconds, and it's gonna save your settings. So that's pretty much it. If you don't want no one to mess with your buttons, you have a lock button that's available. And one of the nicest features about this desk is if you're going up and down and something is restricting the movement, it has an auto stop feature, which is really nice. So if you have, a dog or a child that's underneath the desk and it's going down, the desk will stop by itself. It's an auto stop functionality here on this desk, so it won't hurt them. So this desk has a built-in drawer, right? If you want to store all kinds of stuff here. What I like about this drawer is very premium. The whole desk is well built, ultra premium design that will last for years. So I do have some programmable buttons here. I do have, this is the first height that I like, and I have number 2 programmed. So I just press it and it goes up by itself, and it works out very well. Yes. And if I hit it again, it goes down by itself. There it goes. And it tells you right here, as far as inches, right? So right now I'm at about 29.6 inches in height. So it is really good. I really do like it. The surface is nice and everything else in between. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the FlexiSpot Comhar in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.